Hi everyone, welcome back to Nutrition Avenue. Today we're diving into the amazing health benefits of avocado, a versatile and nutrient-rich fruit that you can enjoy in so many ways. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest nutrition tips and healthy recipes. Avocado is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, B vitamins, and potassium. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. With both soluble and insoluble fiber, avocados aid in digestion, help maintain a healthy gut, and keep you feeling full longer. Avocados contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and can protect against age-related macular degeneration. Despite being calorie-dense, the healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help with weight management by keeping you satisfied and reducing hunger. Eating avocados can help your body absorb more nutrients from other foods, especially fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. The healthy fats and vitamins in avocados nourish the skin and hair, helping to keep them moisturized and promoting a healthy glow. So, whether you add avocado to your salad, blend it into a smoothie, or enjoy it on toast, it's a delicious way to boost your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more nutrition tips and recipes from Nutrition Avenue. Until next time, eat well and live well.